Recently, there has been a bit of backlash about the construction designs of 47 investments. And to speak the truth, yeah, there might be a bit of truth about that. But if you look at the real estate market, you'll understand that the parameters of building designs are limited to some few shapes, maybe rectangles or squares. And in most cases, especially if you want to narrow down to a flat roof unit, you'll have to end up with something like this. If you are Kenyan, umesikia the narrative that mutu ni ploti. And I know most of you already have plots, but you do not know what you want to build on them. That's where a company like 47 comes in to give you your home for the family. For this client, the plot size is 50 by 100, not in the best shape kwa sababu inakaa slightly like a parallelogram. And as you can see, the client was able to get all this compound where they can enjoy a driveway to their parking area. They'll do a shade on that side, and they have a garden over here where they can enjoy planting their favorite flowers, fruits, or trees. On that far end, that's where we have the outside toilet and the biodigester. That one can always be done by Mr. 47 Investment. If you want Mr. 47 to give you a perimeter wall, they also do that. This one is in progress, so maybe we'll give you an update when the perimeter wall is done. From there, you can agree with me that the facade of this unit is very, very beautiful. I am loving it these days that 47 Investment is giving you rough and tough standard. The design is actually very, very beautiful. If I were to take a house from this contractor, I would tell them to give me something like this. 4-bedroom plus a family room for only 10.5 million Kenya shillings. Is that not a steal? Na unajua hii economy venye iko, hata haifanyi. Hey. One more thing, today we are in Kikuyu, Nderi. And I know most of you don't know where Kikuyu, Nderi is. It's somewhere in Kiambu County. The best thing about 47 Investment Company is that they can give you a house anywhere within the 47 counties. So hapa contractor ni mmoja na contractor ni 47 Investment. This is supposed to be the formal parking area. So this is where the owner will do the car shed. And then on this other side, we have the entrance porch. Come closer. As you can see, it is possible for 47 Investment to give you quality doors like this one. But this one only comes on request at a cost. Tuingie ndani. If there is one thing that makes this house very interesting and very beautiful, is the quality of the tile work that has been done. I have seen so many houses from this contractor, lakini hii amefanya the best. The tile work has been done excellently. The lines are very, very straight and hakuna pieces mingi hapa na pale. There is no pieces of half tiles or quarter tiles to fix the corners or to fix anything. Good, excellent workmanship. Hapa 47, congratulations. Another thing is the size of this living room. It is of a standard size. I like it that you get 3 big windows for enough natural light. This is where you are supposed to do your TV table or your electronics table, and then this is where you connect your 65-inch TV. You have a staircase on that side to give you an access to the upper level where we have the private spaces, and for your guests, they'll be able to enjoy this guest bedroom which is over here. We will see that in a sec. Just opposite from the living room, you have the dining space, and this was designed to fit a 6-seater dining set. The owner of this home does not have a very big family, just a beautiful, lovely nuclear family. On this side, you get a normal vanity, which is very, very important in the African families kwa sababu sisi hatukuli na fork and knife. Also, the contractor was able to give this client some compartments over here where you can keep your not washing detergents. Zinaitwa nini hizi? Yeah, the hand wash. Thank you, my camera person. The hand wash and maybe a towel. From the dining area, you get an opening over here which is taking you to the closed kitchen. Today I have checked the quality of construction of 47 investment, and I can agree with you guys that they have actually joined 2026. Mambo sasa ni mzuri. Now they are at par with the market. Everything is being done to the optimum. When you look at this kitchen, you'll see there is a very good contrast between the dark granite countertops and the white cabinetry. And the cabinetry comes with a combination of things. You have drawers for the crockery. You have cabinetry where you can keep your sufurias and everything. And on this other side, you get another set of drawers for the rest of the cutlery. The upper cabinetry has also been done very well. The kitchen is coming with fixed appliances at an extra cost, but what I love most about this kitchen is the quality of this beautiful sink. Okay, on. Yeah, you see? And the best thing about this sink is that it can get a supply of hot and cold water. You also have a supply over here of the purified water, and you can use this section of the sink to rinse your vegetables. There is another set there where you can use the normal faucet. Then there is another, this one is for this to rinse, that one to rinse your glasses, and then there is that one to maybe to rinse your utensils. Total madness. Nimejiosha. To this side, the kitchen is coming with a pantry, and most of you keep asking, Mungai Kihara, can you deliver a home that is off-grid? Ndio hii sasa. Ndio hii sasa. We have solar panels huko juu at the roof deck. I'll show you that later. What we have here is the inverter and the battery, and this home can be able to interchange between Kenya Power and solar power. Interesting. Mambo ndio best. Because 47 Investment has been doing this unit for our client in the UK, kuna mambo mingi inaendelea. This is the rear side of the unit where you are supposed to have your kitchen garden, and there is a lot of things going. You have your extra water tank over there. Hapa hivi kuna kanyumba kadogo ka caretaker, the person who is taking care of the unit before the owner reports to the country. And then hapa kuna hiyo nduthi ya caretaker. This is the means of transport ya kutoka Nderi hadi Kikuyu. So if you want to get some cigarettes, okay, no, food, anatumia hii. Let's go back inside. As I mentioned, there is a lot of improvement in terms of quality. As you can see, you are getting white doors which are matching very well with the rest of the rooms. Right now we are in the guest bedroom, not the biggest, but why do guests need to have a big room? So I take a call. Exactly. There is a toilet here for the guests, and it is coming with a vanity, a WC at the center, and a showering area on that end. The closet floor almost to ceiling. Quality is very nice. Partitioning has been done very well, and the window is giving you a ton of natural light. I'll take you upstairs. As we are doing these videos, I like replying to your comments. And most of you tell me, Mungai Kihara, ningetaka nijengewe na 47, but I don't know how to buy land na naogopa kukoniwa. That's why you should talk to us so that we can give you a pre-purchase inspection to make sure that ile shamba unanunua iko na clean, pure documentation. From the staircase, you land to the family room. Not the biggest, but this one has been done very well. For small families, you need this. This is where you can come, sit down, enjoy a book, or enjoy your favorite show in the TV. Na kama ni mtoto anaweza kuja hapa na laptop yake, asome, aendelee na masomo. maisha ikuwe sawa. If you are the parent and you don't want the nuisance that comes from ile mambo inakuanga kwa nyumba, sometimes you can come here and relax away from the rest of the family and you'll be able to correct your thoughts na ujue vile utaendelea na maisha. Unajua siku hizi depression is a lot of things, so you need this family room for you to be able to make the best out of your family. This unit is a 4-bedroom all in suite, so we have 3 other bedrooms on this level. 2 of them are here targeting the children, and the primary bedroom is on my far front. For the shorter versions of this video, make sure you check out our other socials, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And if you want to buy a house or you want to buy a land, make sure you check out our website, africanrealestate.com. This is the first bedroom and it is targeting the boys. The first bedroom on this level is enjoying a good space for you to do a 6x6 bed or a king size bed. The window is there just opposite the closet, and that light makes it very easy for you to select your clothes without putting the lights on. The bathroom to this bedroom is here, and it comes with a WC, a vanity in the center, and behind the door we have the showering area. As I mentioned, this bedroom is targeting the boys. We see the other one which is targeting the girls. From the main entrance of the girls' bedroom, there is some space here where you can do a dresser or maybe some extra storage for the girls' shoes. The closet is floor to ceiling, partitioned very well as usual. The window is huge to give you good views, add a lot of natural light, and the bathroom is hidden on this side, but still adopting a similar concept to other bathrooms that we have seen in this unit. This is a simple unit, 10.5 million Kenya shillings only, so it is targeting a small family. Hakuna mambo mingi, hakuna kungangana, just a good unit for nuclear family. The primary bedroom is able to access this balcony where you will be able to see all your cars over there, your garden, and from here you can also get a very good view of this Nderi area. This is the only bedroom in this unit that is coming with 2 windows because it is slightly bigger, and the primary bedroom would benefit from more light from these 2 windows. As you can see, you can easily do a king size or a queen size bed in this space, and you have the closet over here, not the biggest. This will create a lot of fights in the house kwa sababu hii hatujui ni ya nani, or you'll have to get another set of closet over here. This is what Mr. 47 gives as standard, but you can always get more storage space on request at a cost. The primary bedroom is coming with this bathroom where you can enjoy a vanity, some extra compartments where you can keep your hand wash. The WC is at the center and the showering space is on this edge. Come closer. Karibia mkubwa. Yeah, it's on this edge where you can be able to enjoy a rain shower and handheld. All this water is being supplied by the solar water heaters that are on the roof deck. We will see that in a minute. Right now we are at the roof deck and there is a lot of things going on here. On my left hand side you have the solar water heaters, and this is targeting to warm all the water that will be used in this unit. On this other side you have your auxiliary water storage, 3000 liters, and these tanks come as standard from 47 investment. On top of them, you have the solar panels which are giving backup power to this unit. And this roof deck is where you are supposed to host. On my left hand side, you have these clotheslines poles, and this is where you are supposed to add your clotheslines na uanike nguo zikauke. This is the same roof deck that is supposed to give you the best views of Nderi area, and from here you'll be able to observe the location and say, I am among the richest in this locality. Simunipe kiti MCA. Anyway, that's all for now. We will see you in the next one, and always make sure you subscribe to this. My name is Mungai Kihara, and you have just watched African Real Estate.